One of the big takeaways is how much organizations are investing in this and the openness in sharing what they're doing.
This event is a very important event because it provides practitioners with new insights into how other practitioners are applying AI, ML, and data science and related disciplines.
The advantage and the value of these kinds of events is we're actually sharing, because a lot of our problems that we're trying to solve require an ecosystem. It requires collaboration across the industry, and some of the biggest problems can't be solved by any one firm.
There's a little bit of competitive advantage you give up, but there's a trade-off. So if I go into a cave and decide I'm going to work on all my projects in a cave, I'm going to have the best weaponry, and in 30 years I'm going to come out with arrows that are sharper than anybody else on the street. But everyone else is going to have terrible arrows and they're going to have machine guns. So from that point of view, I think you can work in a cave by yourself, but there's no way that you can be so insular and still emerge 5 years later and be at the top of the field. It's not going to happen.
One of the wonderful things about a day like today is that you can connect with other people and see the ideas apply across different environments, stated in different ways, but connecting in powerful ways. And so there's a lot of synergies across the different ideas.
It's very clear that the speed of adoption is accelerating, and that people are thinking about how to take some of the key learnings of today and apply it, but more so in a larger sense.
We can learn where people are a little bit stronger along certain paths of that journey than others, and kind of grow that ecosystem.
I reliably learn when I come to an event like this that there's so much happening out there that has parallels to what I'm experiencing, and if I don't come to events such as this one, I'll never know what I'm missing, and there's always value in it.
The speakers at today's event were fantastic. What's really fun for me is to get a little bit out of my comfort zone.
Traditional firms have been designed sort of around human-centered organizations. All of that is evolving in an interesting way towards a different model.
We really think that what's happening is that digitization, AI, platforms, networks are impacting both the business model, how you create value and how you capture value, right? And also how you operate, how you deliver value through how you achieve scale, scope, and learning. These two things are intimately connected.
I think AI will transform the enterprise in a slew of ways.
We've been building so much information technology into the enterprise and into the economy over the last 10, 20 years that I think over the last 5 years, maybe the last 10 years, it has started to speed up and really gain critical mass. And it's beginning to really change the fundamental operating model of the enterprise.
Right now we're at the beginning of figuring out how to basically integrate AI into the current legacy systems, at the same time not only enhance the legacy system but also replace them in the long run as we get more data from many outsources or sources are actually affecting the individual industries.
I think in particular what it will actually give the enterprise is the ability to innovate in a way we haven't before. What's fascinating is right now we're really stuck in a moment where data just isn't that easy to use, and enterprises, especially ones that have been around for a long time, but really all are grappling with how do we effectively put this data into one place and then be able to interact with it smartly. And so I think in the next 2 to 5 years, we'll start to see really good solutions to that emerge, and we'll sort of have grappled with that problem long enough that we'll actually be able to innovate in really smart ways across all enterprises.
I think as we see more and more data, more and more software, more and more AI driving the operating side of the firm, we're really starting to see a completely different structure, completely different architecture for companies.
I would say this event has been a chance for me to be reminded and have my eyes opened that absolutely everyone in the industry needs help on this front. And so we do need to come together and keep working on the problem.